Meet our directors of Global Client Solutions at Wrench. They're industry veterans with decades of hands-on leadership in delivering capital projects.
With over 35 years of experience delivering major projects across the water and wastewater, oil and gas, paper and pulp, power and sugar industries, Shelley has led teams in planning, budgeting, operations, new initiatives, turnaround projects, and digital transformation. He served as CEO of VA Tech Wabag in the Philippines and Singapore before joining Wrench Solutions. Recognized as one of the most visionary business leaders in 2025 and awarded the Business Leader of the Year in Singapore for 2024.
With over 35 years delivering major projects across mining, petrochemicals, and infrastructure, Stephen has led teams in planning, cost control, and contracts, shaping strategies for companies like Newmont, AECOM, and WSP. Chimbu specializes in AI and brings 25-plus years of EPC and O&M experience, having led project controls and contract teams across the UK, Middle East, and APAC. He's delivered projects for majors like Shell and BP, working with Petrofac, Lampral, and others. Sajith's 34-year journey spans project controls and management roles on large-scale EPC and owner-led projects for Chevron, KIPIC, and KNPC, ensuring cost, schedule, and performance alignment from planning through to execution. Their expertise is built on real-world project delivery. Today, they're helping clients shape smarter, predictable outcomes through experience that truly understands the field.